When neuromuscular blocking agent is administered to a nurse before ECT, what should the nurse observe? Respiratory difficulties, dizziness, nausea and vomiting, seizures. The correct answer is A. Respiratory difficulties. Which of the following administration routes provides the most rapid response to client? Oral, intramuscular, sublingual, subcutaneous. Correct answer is C. Sublingual. Preferred diuretic for CHF is hydrochlorothiazide, metalazone, furosemide, amiloride. Correct answer is B. metolazone. The common stool pattern in Crohn's disease is chronic constipation, diarrhea, melena, Correct answer is B. Diarrhea. Agent that kills the microorganism on an inanimate surface is disinfectant, antiseptic, chemicals, spirit. Correct answer is A. Disinfectant. The nurse is caring for a client with a venous staphylococcus ulcer. Which nursing intervention would be most effective in promoting healing? Apply dressing using sterile technique, improve the client's nutritional status, initiate limb compression therapy, begin proteolytic. Correct answer is B. Improve the client's nutrition status. Which of the following is not a waterborne disease? Typhoid, polio, cholera, measles. Correct answer is D. Measles. Absorption of iron is enhanced by vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Correct answer is C. Vitamin C. After diagnosis stage, in first intervention is document the finding, make patient comfort, keep patient NPO, give patient of liquid. Correct answer is B. Make patient comfort. 100-day cough is the Chinese name of whooping cough, influenza, sore throat, diphtheria. And the correct answer is A. Whooping cough. Mrs. Suntali Roka from Dolka comes to maternity hospital for ANC checkup, which includes 3-year-old twins at home and a miscarriage 10 years ago at 12 weeks gestation. How would the nurse accurately documentation this information? Gravida 4 para 2, Gravida 2 para 1, Gravida 3 para 1, Gravida 3 para 2. Correct answer is C. Gravida 3 para 1. A 40 years female from Pokhara visits doctor clinic for treatment of recurrent pelvic inflammatory disease. The nurse recognizes that this condition most frequently follows which type of infection? Trichomoniasis, chlamydia, staphylococcus, streptococcus. Correct answer is B. Chlamydia. What is the predisposing factor for the formation of peptic ulcer? Emotional disturbance, smoking, excessive fluid intake, A and B both. Correct answer is D. A and B both. Cord blood is collected for grouping in case of these mother who are of A positive status, Rh negative status, HIV positive status, O positive with A positive husband. Correct answer is B. Rh negative status. The causative agent of diarrhea in children is Campylobacter rotavirus, Shigella dysentery, Entamoeba histolytica. Correct answer is B. Rotavirus. What does the urine pregnancy test detect? Presence of HCG, presence of HPL, presence of estrogen, presence of progesterone. Correct answer is A. Presence of HCG. Infant has developed hypothermia if the temperature is below 98.6 degree Fahrenheit, 32.2 degrees Celsius, 95 degree Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. Correct answer is A. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Abruptio placenta is most likely to occur in CPD, PIH, cardiac disease, urinary disease. Correct answer is B. PIH. Which female pelvic is considered as normal pelvic for delivery? Android, gynecoid, platypeloid, anthropoid. Correct answer is B. Gynecoid. The patient says, I am having fever. What type of data is this? Qualitative, quantitative, categorical, none. Correct answer is A. Qualitative. Which of the following is not the 6 killer diseases? Diphtheria, pertussis, measles, meningitis. Correct answer is D. Meningitis. What is the full form of TORCH? Toxoplasmosis, others, rubella, cytomegalovirus and herpes, Toxoplasma orthomyxovirus, rubella, CBM and hepatitis. Toxicity: rubella, cytomegalovirus, and herpes. Toxoplasma, rubella, cytomegalovirus, and herpes. And the correct answer is A. Toxoplasmosis, others rubella, cytomegalovirus, and herpes. The patient has developed transfusion reaction. What should be done immediately after stopping transfusion? Give IV furosemide, give IV antihistamine, give IV Hemacil, start IV adrenaline. Correct answer is B. Give IV antihistamine. What is the Apgar score for the baby having flaccid movements? 0, 1, 2, 3. Correct answer is A. 0. The space between sagittal, coronal, and frontal suture is called fontanelle, vertex, glabella, bregma. Correct answer is A. Fontanelle. The patient is voiding nitrogenous urine. It is called proteinuria, azotemia, ketonuria, hematuria. Correct answer is B. Azotemia. The disadvantage of using very large cup while taking BP is more than actual BP. BP is less than actual BP. No any disadvantage. There will be no pulse pressure. And the correct answer is B. BP is less than actual BP. Under 5 clinic is meant for disabled children, malaria, malnutrition, integrated treatment and management of the under 5 children. The correct answer is D. Integrated treatment and management of the under 5 children. The body developed own immunity after attack of disease is called supernatural immunity, active natural, passive immunity, both B and C. Correct answer is B. Active natural immunity. Source of progesterone during the pregnancy before formation of placenta is yolk sac, chorionic villi, amnion, amniotic fluid. Correct answer is B. chorion villi. A physician has diagnosed acute gastritis in a clinic patient. Which of the following medication would be contraindicated for this patient? Naproxen sodium, furosemide, clarithromycin, calcium carbonate. The correct answer is A. Naproxen sodium. A child is seen in the emergency department for scarlet fever. Which of the following descriptions of scarlet fever is not correct? Scarlet fever is caused by infection with group A Streptococcus bacteria. Palsy occur on the soft palate. The pharynx is red and swollen. Strawberry tongue is a characteristic sign. And the correct answer is B. Petechiae occur on the soft palate. What is the purpose of sterilization of medical equipment? To make clean, to prevent infection, to make free from microorganisms, to decontaminate the equipment. Correct answer is to make free from microorganisms. Mrs. Thapa is a primary gravida, 39 weeks of gestation, admitted with 3 to 4 minutes contraction of blood tissue and intact membrane. She has 66 cm dilated with fully effaced cervix and head is at +1 station. As the findings, woman is in the latent phase of labor, active phase of labor, transition phase of labor, expulsive phase of labor. The correct answer is C. Transition phase of labor. One of the major processes to evaluate the nursing care of patients. Patient chart, nurses progress note, doctor's progress note, doctor instruction sheet. Correct answer is patient chart. Vertical transmission of HIV is more common during first trimester, second trimester, third trimester during delivery. Correct answer is D. During delivery. In infants with hydrocephalus, the early signs of ventricular sound malfunction are a high-pitched cry, colic and pupillary changes, a tense fontanelle, vomiting and irritability, anorexia and changes in pulse and respiration, headache, lethargy and loss of appetite. Correct answer is D. Headache, lethargy and loss of appetite. Evaluation and feedback process of an effective manager. Conduct weekly meeting with staff members. Considers staff members' interest and abilities when delegation tasks. Inform staff members regularly of how well they are performing their job. Provide goals for staff members to meet. The correct answer is C. Inform staff members regularly of how well they are performing their job. To prevent pulmonary embolism in a patient on bed rest, the nurse should encourage deep breathing and coughing exercise. Use knee support when the patient is on bed. Limit the patient's intake of fluid. Teach the patient move the legs when bed. The correct answer is D. Teach the patient when the patient is in bed. Which of the following drug is contraindicated in SDN? Salbutamol, adrenaline, nimesulide, ephedrine. Correct answer is A. Salbutamol. The most commonly affected sinus is frontal, sphenoid, ethmoid, maxillary. The correct answer is D. Maxillary. Complete cardiac diastole is of 0.1 second, 0.3 second, 0.7 second, 0.4 second. Correct answer is D. 0.4 second. Quatrian fever is seen in TB, malaria, typhoid, abscess. Correct answer is B. Malaria. During the time of 6 to 7 days after the delivery, where will you palpate the fundus of the uterus? 2 fingers, breath below the umbilicus, between the umbilicus and symphysis pubis, descending inside the height inside the pelvis, and we cannot palpate. Correct answer is C. Descending inside the pelvis. Jealousy and joy usually appear in children at the age of 6 months, 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. Correct answer is C. 24 months. Monial vaginitis is another name for vaginal discharge. Itchy vulva, vulvitis, vaginal thrush. Correct answer is vaginal thrush. Which is the richest source of vitamin A? Amla, carrot, guava, egg. Correct answer is B. Carrot. Coombs test is done for the diagnosis of anuria, neonatal tetanus, sickle cell anemia, Rh isoimmunization. Correct answer is D. Rh isoimmunization. Which is pediatric emergency? Otitis media, acute nasopharyngitis, acute epiglottitis, pneumonia. Correct answer is C. Acute epiglottitis. The interval between ovulation and menstruation is normally 31 days, 28, 14, 21 days. Correct answer is C. 14 days. A pregnant woman has hypertension combined with proteinuria and generalized edema. What is her diagnosis? Anemia, preeclampsia, eclampsia, none of the above. Correct answer is B. Preeclampsia. The nurse is planning care for an 8-year-old child. Which of the following should be included in the plan of care? Encourage child to engage in activities in the playroom. Promote independence in activities of daily living. Talk with child and allow him to express his opinions. Provide frequent reassurance and cuddling. The correct answer is A. Encourage child to engage in activities in the playroom. The goal of nursing care of the client with an indwelling catheter and continuous drainage is largely directed at preventing infection of the urinary flow through the drainage system. Which of the following interventions encouraged by nurses working with this client would not be appropriate in meeting this goal? Having the client drink up to 3000 ml per day, encouraging the client to eat foods that increase the acid in the urine, routine hygienic care, changing indwelling catheters every 72 hours. Correct answer is D. Changing indwelling catheters every 72 hours. For sigmoidoscopy, the nurse should place the patient in Fowler's position, knee chest position, lithotomy position, Prohn's position. Correct answer is B. Knee chest position. Sterile technique that includes the procedure used to eliminate microorganisms, surgical asepsis, bacterial asepsis, medical asepsis, viral asepsis. Correct answer is A. Surgical asepsis. Which of the following drug is not used as first-line drugs in the treatment of TB? Rifampicin, isoniazid, ethambutol, streptomycin. Correct answer is D. Streptomycin. The only vaccine which is given after exposure to the infection is polio vaccine, rabies, influenza, measles. Correct answer is B. Rabies vaccine. Norplant will be effective for dash years, 10 years, 1 year, 8 years, 7 years. Correct answer is D. 7 years. Normally at the birth there are dash fontanelles 4, 5, 6, 8. Correct answer is C6. Dark green mucilaginous material in the intestine of the full-term fetus is meconium, cholesterate, colostrum, mectonate. Correct answer is A. Meconium. Molding of grade 3 is no overlapping of ones, fixed overlapping, reversible overlapping, all. Correct answer is fixed overlapping. Harmful effect of drugs in fetus is referred as carcinogenic, tetragenic, lithogenic, oncogenic. Correct answer is B. Tetragenic. In context of Nepal, AIDS comes under pandemic, endemic, epidemic, sporadic. Correct answer is B. Endemic. The 70-year-old man comes for treatment. He can't understand the doctor properly. Then repeat again in slow tone. Tell his son to explain. Tell in loud voice. Ask to go for home. Correct answer is repeat again in slow tone. Diabetic food mostly like to get necrosis, ischemia, gangrene, all of the above. Correct answer is C, gangrene. Venturi max is effective because it delivers low amount of concentrated oxygen at high flow rate. It increases the concentration of oxygen. It automatically maintains the concentration of oxygen. It is widely used in hospitals. Correct answer is it delivers low amount of concentrated oxygen at high flow rate. Head box delivers about dash of oxygen 5%, 20%, 10%, 16%. Correct answer is B, 20%. The perception of active fetal movements by the pregnant woman for the first time is known as Braxton Hicks contraction, Oriental signs, quickening, Chadwick signs. Correct answer is C, quickening. The abnormal opening between vagina and urinary bladder is rectocele, fistula, cystocele opening. Correct answer is B, fistula. How much calories are there in breast milk per 100 grams? 60 kilocalories, 73, 71, 75. Correct answer is B, 73 kilocalorie. Most common heart disease in Nepal is arterial septal defect, ventricular septal defect, rheumatic heart disease, all of the above. Correct answer is rheumatic heart disease. Child with cystic fibrosis gains weight, tastes salty sweet, rarely weight gain, has a poor concentration. Correct answer is B, tastes salty sweet. A parent calls the pediatric clinician and panic about the bottle of cleaning fluid her child drank 20 minutes before. Which of the following is the most important instruction the nurse can give the parent? These two shall pass. Take the client immediately to the ER. Give the plenty of water to drink. Give the child syrup of peace. Correct answer is take the child immediately to the ER. The nurse is aware that children born with a missing chromosome are most likely to have cretinism, Down syndrome, phenylketonuria, Turner syndrome. Correct answer is D, Turner syndrome. The episiotomy is deliberate incision in perineum to facilitate childbirth done during severe uterine contraction, done in every delivery cases, done by giving general anesthesia, not needed in any delivery cases. Correct answer is A, deliberate incision in perineum to facilitate childbirth during severe uterine contraction. Dash is seen in bedsore, embolism, wound infection, pulmonary embolism, meningitis. Correct answer is B, wound infection. Kernicterus affects which of the following organ? Liver, pancreas, skin, brain. Correct answer is D, brain. The most important thing to check before taking the patient to operation theatre is has voided or not, part preparation, NPO, all of the above. Correct answer is D, all of the above. After any surgical procedure, the precautions should be taken as gloves, gown, mask, gloves, gown, mask. Correct answer is D, gloves, gown, mask. A skin graft is taken from another portion of client's own body is known as an allograft, an homograft, an autograft, or heterograft. Correct answer is C, an autograft. Patient with atelectasis have dash breathing, rapid shallow breathing, deep breathing, forceful breathing, normal breathing. Correct answer is B, deep breathing. T-tube is inserted for drainage for pleural cavity, drainage of bile, urine drainage to prevent the accumulation of fluid in the middle ear. Correct answer is B, drainage of bile. When percussing a normal lungs, which of the following sounds should be heard? Tympani, dullness, resonance, hyperresonance. Correct answer is C, resonance. Nerve responsible for sense of sight is optic nerve, abducent, oculomotor, trigeminal. Correct answer is A, optic nerve. Synovial fluid is important because lubricates the joints and provides shock absorption, provides stability and provides shock absorption, joint bone to bone for stability, reduces wear and tear on bones. Correct answer is A, lubricates the joints and provides shock absorption. The structure where the moving head of femur fixes is glabella, glenoid, acetabulum, foramen. Correct answer is C, acetabulum. Osteoporosis leads to physiological fracture, pathological fracture, increased bone mineral density, osteopetrosis.
Correct answer is B. Pathological fracture. Which position is recommended for ICP? Head down position, head elevating position, prone position, supine position. Correct answer is B. Head elevating position. And alcoholism in pregnant women is associated with intrauterine growth retardation, development delay, increased risk of spontaneous abortion, all of the above.
And the correct answer is D, all of the above. Hepatitis A is caused due to blood product transfusion, sexual contact, infected water and food through contaminated needles. Correct answer is C, infected water and food. Physiological jaundice is occur after 48 hours, 36 hours, 24 hours, after 72 hours. Correct answer is C, 24 hours. When a patient develops UTI during catheterization, it is called which type of infection? Nosocomial infection, iatrogenic infection, immunosuppressed infection, or opportunistic infection? Correct answer is A, nosocomial infection. A client with osteoporosis is vulnerable to dementia, fracture, delirium, senile vaginitis. Correct answer is B, fracture. Rate of cervical dilation during active phase of labor in primary gravida 1 to 2 cm per hour, 1 cm per hour, 2 cm per hour, 2 to 3 cm per hour. Correct answer is B, 1 cm per hour. After rupture of membrane, what is your first action? Keep mother left lateral, check the FHS, check the bulbas, call the doctor. Correct answer is B, check the FHS. Orchitis is the complication of measles, chickenpox, mumps, yellow fever. Correct answer is A, measles. Providing information is which type of prevention? Primordial, secondary, primary, tertiary. Correct answer is A, primordial. The bedridden patient for a long time is risk for developing pulmonary embolism, fat hypertrophy, muscle hypertrophy, osteomyelitis. Correct answer is A, pulmonary embolism. In strict vegetarian, which vitamin deficit? Vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B12, vitamin K. Correct answer is C, vitamin B12. The process of RBC formation is called hemopoiesis, leukopoiesis, erythropoiesis, thrombopoiesis. Correct answer is C, erythropoiesis. Which carries oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium? Pulmonary artery, umbilical artery, pulmonary vein, umbilical vein. Correct answer is C, pulmonary vein. According to Maslow's hierarchy, the essential need for individual is basic need, physical need, physiological need, demand. Correct answer is C, physiological need. Most common electrolyte abnormalities seen in post-surgical patient is hyperkalemia, hypokalemia, hyponatremia, hypernatremia. Correct answer is hypokalemia. If a patient is getting 4 pints of infusion in 24 hours, the number of drops per minute is 21 drops per minute, 20 drops per minute, 18 drops per minute, 22 drops per minute. Correct answer is D, 22 drops per minute.
The effectiveness of nurse-patient communication is best validated by client feedback, medical assessment, health team conference, patient physiological adoption. Correct answer is client feedback.
A person who is unconscious, not breathing, has a weak pulse, needs CPR, Heimlich, rescue breathing, back blows and chest thrust. Correct answer is A, CPR. PRN means when advised, when necessary, immediately, now. Correct answer is B, when necessary. Nurse asks the client to read the Snellen's chart. Which of the following is tested? Optic, olfactory, oculomotor, trochlear. Correct answer is optic. A child can sit with the support at 6 months, 4 months, 8 months, 9 months. Correct answer is A, 6 months. Coplic spot is seen in rubella, measles, chickenpox, mumps. Correct answer is B, measles. Preeclampsia does not include BP greater than 140 by 90 mm of Hg, edema, proteinuria, fits. Correct answer is D, fits. Oral thrush is caused by bacteria, fungus, virus, protozoa. Correct answer is B, fungus. Steps of surgical hand washing is 4, 5, 7, 6. Correct answer is C7. Parenteral penicillin can be administered as an IV or IM solution, ID or subcutaneous injection, IB or ID injection, IM or SC route. Correct answer is D, IM or SC root. Leukocytosis means WBC count greater than 4500 mm3, 7000, 11000, 25000. Correct answer is D, 25000 mm3. The prenatal mother should be advised to come hospital as soon as possible if variation in fetal movement, loss of appetite, finished prescribed drugs, something come out of the vagina. Correct answer is D, something come out of vagina. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि प्लिज मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला। त्यसै गरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न नभुल्नु होला। थ्यांक यू।